Video we'll discuss how you can use the advanced query by example syntax in the search part of the grid to do power searches. So you can see here that we have a simple grid with a search part, and what we've done is in the search part we've gone to the properties over here and we've said that the search style is 4. The default search style is 2, which means that for all character fields, the value that you type into the search field is we search for all records that contain that value anywhere in the field. 1 is an exact match. 2, as I said, was the default, which is contained in. 3 is starts with, and 4 is wildcard. So we're going to turn on the wildcard option, which means that you can now use the star and the question mark wildcard characters in your search, and then we're going to demonstrate how you can combine multiple search criteria using the query by example syntax that the search part supports. So let's go now into working preview, and let's start out by doing, say, a simple search. We'll find all products that have a description that starts with the word alpha. So I'll type in alpha and then a star, and you can see now that I can find all products that start with alpha. If I had left out the star, then we would be searching for all products that are exactly equal to alpha, and we would get no matches. If I were to go now and, for example, put in a star on either side of it, then I'd be looking for all products that contain the word alpha anywhere in the name, but these products here are obviously all alpha. They all start with alpha, but let's go here and type in, say, for example, SPORTS and search, and you can see we find all those matches. But if I were to leave off the trailing star, then this means find all records that where the product ends with the word sports, and there are no matches. And if I go here and type in say sports star, that means all products that start with the word sports, and again there are no matches. So the only matches are for records that contain sports, and therefore I have to use the wildcard character on both sides. But now let's say I want to find all records that contain sports in the description, or say bicycle. So I can go here and type in BIKE, and let's do that again. Put stars on either side, so that means contains the word bike. And now you can see we've got bike helmet over there, and so there was only one additional match. So now we're finding basically records that where the quantity is between the values of, say, 1 and 9, but let's say I only want to find records where the quantity now is between, say, 6 and 9. So I can go now to the quantity field and type in, say, 6 ... 9. That means all records that are between and including 6 up to and including 9. So that should eliminate 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 over there. So let's go ahead there and do search, and you can see there it does, and it goes and eliminates those. But now let's say that I'd also like to just include any quantity that has a value of 1. So now what I've defined is all records between and including 6, less than and including 9, and also or also 1. So let's go ahead now, and you can see now we get those 2 additional records over there. So you can see that for character fields we support the star and wildcard character, which means any number of characters, or the question mark, which means a single character, and these are the same wildcard characters that the operating system supports, that Windows supports. So we use the same convention as Windows. But you can also use this ... syntax on character fields. So for example, if I go here and just type in A.C, that means all descriptions that start with A and end with C. So let's go ahead there and now sort. So you can see we have 23 records, and the last record is Blue Hawaii, so we don't have any records that are after C. But now